Hi parents and families, it's Matt Austin here. It is, what day is this today? Tuesday, 11:30 in the morning. I'm creating this video to explain to you about the dissection projects that we've started, and you can see that I have preloaded all of the assignments into Power School. And so I just wanted to explain to you what's going on with that. The dissection unit will be kind of one big project. The students will be doing two different dissections, and they'll be doing two different projects. Both the projects will be on the same body system, either digestive, circulatory, respiratory, or reproductive system. And then they will be doing it on the animal that they're dissecting. So I believe I've got 8 of them. There's starfish, clam, crab, lamprey, frog, rat, pigeon, snake, I think is what they are. And those would be what we're doing for the dissections. So the kids will be doing a dissection. Let's say they're doing the dissection on the clam, and then they have the digestive system. So they're making a PowerPoint on the digestive system of the clam. And that PowerPoint then they're going to be turning into me. That's going to be their actual assignment or points. So you'll see that in Power School, you will see first animal dissection PowerPoint, and then it says digestion, circulatory, respiratory, reproduction. They're only doing one of those. And then for the second dissection, they'll be doing then another animal. Let's say they do the pigeon then, and they'll still be doing the digestive system again. So they'll be doing 2 PowerPoints on the same system, and not all of them, so just the same system. Then they're going to be taking that PowerPoint that they've created, and they're going to be teaching other students who are in the digestive system group as well. And we're going to be able to then see some of the evolutionary changes take place from our dissection animals from simple to complex as we go from the clam and starfish to the rat and the pigeon as our complex organisms. And we're going to be then looking at these evolutionary changes, and then we're going to be taking a test on making a cladogram, which we've studied here in this class. So there are 2 PowerPoints instead of all of those things in there. They are getting a grade for doing the dissections. So there's a grade for the first animal dissection. There's a grade for the second animal dissection. There'll be a grade for a first animal PowerPoint. There'll be a grade for a second animal PowerPoint. But that's all they're doing. They're not doing all 8 of them. So I hope that helps along the way. The first assignment will be, the first PowerPoint will be due for hours 1 and 7 on next week, Tuesday, April 30th, and hours 2 and 4 next week, Wednesday, May 1st. And those will also be the days that we do our first dissection then on Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. And then there'll be a day of teaching, and then we start the process over of researching, making PowerPoints, and then doing the dissections, and then we'll be taking a test on that. That'll wrap up our dissection unit. Then we're going to be getting into the human body system, where we then look at and learn about the circulatory, digestive, respiratory, and reproductive systems for humans, as that becomes then our model for our pig dissection, which we'll be doing after Memorial Day. So just to kind of give you some time frames of things, I'll attach the calendar to this video that I'm sending out, which will hopefully help them. If you have any questions, please feel free to email, call, things like that. I'll be more than happy to sit down and talk with you guys about all this stuff. And yeah, I'll be sending some more pictures out for all the dissections that I'm doing. I think you guys hopefully you've enjoyed seeing those pictures. And so I'll continue to make those while we do our dissections. And yeah. Kids are still doing great. Weather's turning out to be nice now. So things are going great. Thanks a lot. Take care. And again, please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.